Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I am being willful and indulgent, and I'm using my shovel and some of my favorite colors as long as the bottle's still open. Oh, that one's not. Darn. That was some black, my regular black mix. My pouring recipe is below the video. If you guys have questions, feel free to ask me. And I got some Decor Americana Gold back, and I'm pretty happy about it. And I want to do the same thing I was just doing. And I'm going to try this color combination first. I do have paint flakes on me. It just makes me want some turquoise. That's weird, I got a bubble. Do I want to keep that bubble? Maybe I do. I think I'm going to look for some turquoise. And I have some really nice Arteza turquoise right there. And some Decor Americana emerald green metallic. And a little folk art. I guess if they won't come out, then I'm not going to use them. Let's use a different turquoise. Let's see if that one goes with it. That's similar. And what? Some Prussian blue? Maybe some purple. Yeah, I think so. I got some tremendous cells all over. Wow, that's awesome. And I think I'm going to go back to putting some gold in there again. This might be really fast, so I should tell you guys, I do sell my artwork. I might want to tip this. Of course, I might not, too. When you have a pool of paint and you want it to look less like there's canvas showing through, just use your skewer and fake it out. Because I'm pretty sure if I didn't tell you that was there, you wouldn't know. So I'm just going to keep adding color combinations, but I think I'm going to have to give myself a moment to open this because I was just uploading a video and got distracted long enough to need to open the bottles when I came back. So where's that Venetian blue from Modern Masters? I can dribble some of this stuff too. Wow, do I want to? I like the negative spaces I get a lot. The weirder the shapes, the cooler the design. I think this time I'm going to mix it up, and I might even stir it a little bit with my skewer and dribble some more stuff. Of course, there aren't any rules that say I can't just do whatever I want. With a little whatever I want. So I'm thinking magenta, just because I've got it and I love it, and if I put a little black in there, I bet I get some cells. And I haven't done this without any gold yet, so I'm going to keep going. And I didn't open that green. I love these marks in here. They're just so cool. Now you could pre-prime your canvas, and you should pre-prime your canvas if you don't like that texture in the background. I figure anything with this dry canvas that's primed from the store, you're going to have to do something with it. Like in finish coat it. And I don't usually do that. But I will in this case. I think I've got some dribbling left to do. I think this is the only corner that's really kind of doing something strange to me. And I'm using Purple Flash from Folk Art, Arteza Purple Pearl, Arteza Turquoise Pearl. I will leave links below the video. Am I done yet? I don't think so. Yeah, I like those. I like teaching myself how to do mark making. I really do. And you teach yourself by doing it. I keep thinking I'm going to not put more black in there, but I put more black in there every time. And that's okay. When I have overflow, I'm going to use it on the edge of my canvas. And every time I look at this, I see, or I hear this voice in my head tells me a color. So somebody asked me who my muse was, and I have no idea. But I do listen. And it's fun to put the paint in the shovel and stir it or not. You can definitely do either or. I think I mentioned I sell my artwork, and my email address is underneath the link tree, underneath the video. That's underneath the Arteza information. And I'm getting a call for orange. I don't know if that's even safe. Okay, I'm doing it. I would have done it if it had been open. Okay, let's try that again. Yes. It's making me nervous. I want some more pink in there too. It does add some dimension to lay things over each other. And if you get trails you don't like, just add more paint on top of them. I'm not minding that orange. I just don't know if there's enough of it in there yet. And I'm not sure the only way to get enough is going to be... Yeah, I think it's going to have to happen that way. Getting closer. Hopefully it works out. It's different. I want some more of the magenta. I want some more cells, but I haven't done anything to deserve those cells yet, so. I'm over here just letting some paint go down over my edge in the corner. I'm tempted right now by that Venetian blue because I think that that would be something else. There's my first dots. I'm going to steal that paint, put it right back in the shovel, and let it dribble. If you'd have told me when I was young that I'd be doing some sort of painting style called dribbling, I would not have believed you. Just going to take some of the paint right out of my shovel and change the paint right there. I'm going to let some of this paint go right down over the edge too. So I think I'm almost done, but I have some issues, and that's, I have a problem in here. I think it's just an all over pattern as opposed to something I was expecting. Don't ask me why I did that. I think it's because there's some black coming your way. Yep, I think the black is going to do it for me. And I might go whole hog and do myself, yep, black dots. Got to be really careful because I think this tip is cut open. Maybe the orange dots will make me happy. Maybe a multicolored dot would make me happy too. Let's join that right over there. Just dip into some paint. See if I want anything else. I'm not unhappy. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which means in theory I can mostly tell you that I have almost no cracking ever, and that is what the GAC is for. So all bets are off as far as me having made any rules in my head about what I'm doing, which means my squeeze bottle in my hand is probably going to get used. And if I really wanted to be safe, to heck with it. This Arteza turquoise is the bomb. I love it. I'm not over the idea of more orange though. You better lift that bottle quickly and move on to your next spot because you can definitely drip. So this is really cool and really different and not really exactly what I was expecting. Not that I was really expecting anything. And I'm wondering what color it is that would zhuzh the whole thing up. And I've got this tangerine, and I'm willing to risk it. It's just a lighter version of that orange, and I like it. Just a few elements here and there. And I never did do the blue. And I did set my timer, but I have a couple minutes left. And the blue makes me want purple. And why not give it to myself, honestly, at this point? It's so complicated already. I might as well enjoy the heck out of it, right? That's pretty cool. I think we're done. I know somebody in the audience is going, yeah, you don't tell the truth. You know you're right, too. I just like to add the colors that I like to lead the eye around inside the composition. And this is quite the weird composition, honestly. I've got plenty of paint in my shovel if I want to cover my edges. But God, I hate wasting any color that I like over the edge of something. I am so close. I heard the purple call. I think that might be very close. Very, very close. Alright, so I love you guys. There's over 90,000 of you subscribed. Thank you for watching longer and watching when the notifications come out. I really appreciate the thumbs up. I so appreciate your wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. While everybody else has thousands of views, I have a very elite hundreds of views. But I understand that you guys just have extraordinary taste. And not everybody can have that, obviously. So, I should tell you, if you don't know, if you're newly subscribed and you don't know, there are over 1,600 videos in my library. So, if you're interested, you can find something to make you happy, I'm pretty sure. They're organized by genre and by the 100. Yeah, wherever I see a puddle of paint, that just begs me to dot. I can't help it. And I'm really having a good time. I'm glad I put that other orange color in there. I don't mind stealing a few colors right out of the puddles of colors. It's a strange mixture this time. But thank goodness I have the GAC 800 in there, because otherwise everywhere I put the paint down would probably not be eligible to keep from cracking. But the dots are what's making it, I'm pretty sure. And I'm going to take whatever's in my shovel. Because I told you a few things. I should tell you about the link tree. The link tree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my paint pouring recipes underneath the video. Also in the link tree are my website, Saatchi Art, and other good stuff. My Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is for those of you who are going to search out the albums to look for the edited, so far so good wet and dry artworks from the YouTube videos. They're not all there. Should you guys ever have an interest in having anything reproduced, just let me know. If you have a question, let me know. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I think I said I sell my artwork. And if I didn't say I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. It's like a 2-week advance notice, and you should contact me through my email to get more information on that. All right, am I there? Am I almost there? I don't know, that was a lot of fun. I definitely recommend working with shovels. And if you're too nervous to put the bottle down, put a dot of paint onto your paintball skewer end. Making sure that it's round. So this is not right, but I think it is what it is. I got 1 minute left and I probably don't need it. Let me check my list. I have a monthly drawing for those of you who contribute to help keep me making videos, and thank you everyone who's contributed so far. You can see the exhibition video on the end screens of every one of my videos, and it will show you what that month's prizes are. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. This was really cool. I'm really glad you guys were here. It was a lot of fun because of that. And I am going to let you guys go, probably while I'm torching. I got beautiful cells in lots of places, unexpectedly so, right here and here. I should probably zoom in. That is a work of art. It's an odd one, but it's a work of art. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you. Come on. I want to steal more paint. Anon. Good enough.